Hello, it's Jonathan here, DJ Puff the Third. I'm back at north entrance of Norwood Lakes, and I've been given another tip off by my mate Reuben, Bustawidemove on Ingress, that there's some interesting graffiti at Chainsaw Wall again. And judging by the description of the subject, I'm not expecting it to be high end, but I could be proved wrong. And I'm not sure if it takes up the whole wall or just a little bit of it, but it should be quite interesting. Well, from here it looks like a load of just pieces, but we'll have to see. Okay. Ink has been here. Sums. TDD sums. Oh, what? Oh, that's funny. Oh, that is funny. That's actually not bad. That's actually not bad. We'll have to swing this round.